Hi everyone, you are welcome to another amazing tutorial by Web Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a 3D website like this one, where you can add interactive 3D element to your website. And this method is very easy, even more than you think. So let us get right into this video and let me show you how you can create a 3D website like this. The first thing you need to do is to go to this website, spline.design. Okay, so this is the platform that you can get a lot of 3D designs for your website. Either you are into UI UX design or you are into website development. You can always get 3D elements from this website and add it to your website. So you can see this is the website. And this is one of the sample of 3D design that you can actually get with this website. You can see that this is actually interactive. You can see how I'm dragging my mouse to see. So this is the same thing you can also do. And because there are about thousands of 3D elements on this particular platforms. To get started, click get started, and of course it is free. Click on get started. The next thing you are going to do right here is to either continue with Google or you sign in with your email address. For me, I'll just log in with my Google account. That is way faster. I'm not sure this button is working. I've tried to click it many times, but it's not responsive. Okay, I'll just sign in with email account and email here and continue. So let me do the code sent to my email. I just got the code. Let me just write it here. And I'll wait for this to finish loading. Then I got this page, the full name. Let me just write Web Tech Guide. And click next. Then what will you stand for? Let me just write for fun or for education. And next, your occupation, the developer. What describes you the best? Let me say freelancer. Then next, okay, if you want other people to collaborate with you, but this is optional, click on next. If you want to follow anybody, click on next. We've used a 3D tool before. If you have used it before, click yes. If you have not, click no. For me, I've used a 3D tool before. How do you bust line? Since you are getting this from my YouTube channel, so you can just choose YouTube and next. So how do you want to use spline? We want to go with interactive 3D animation, add illustrator. It adds an illustration next. Nope. Okay, this is the page that you are gonna get. Now there's a premium plan for $7 per month. You can always go with the free plan actually. The premium plan, it's not necessary. You can go with the free plan. And this is where you can easily get, if you need tutorials on this, you can just watch some tutorials on this. This is where you can get some 3D elements. You can see some of their 3D elements. You can see some of them. There are a lot of them. If you click research community, you are going to see a lot of them. If you click this example from library, you're going to see thousands of them. So you can always choose anyone that you love. And for this one, let me just check some of the examples that they have in their library. Click view all. So I open this in a new tab. You can also check the visits community also to check other ones. These are some of, and you can easily make use of any of these for your website. Let us check this one. You can see it is categorized into a lot of different categories. There's 3D icons, 3D parts, abstract, apparel. There are a lot of them. In fact, there's a t-shirt. Can embed a 3D t-shirt on your website. You can just check any of them. Then there's a character. You can embed all these things on your website and they will be rotating. They will be very interactive with the user. So the user can control them with their mouse, make sure move them around with their mouse. And it will actually escalate your game in the website design world. All right, let us get started. Let me just try to use anyone as a tutorial. I think I love these rockets. I will just go with this rocket. You just click on it and it's fine. If you want to join their Discord server, you can join. It is free. Just join their Discord server and then you are good to go. And let me wait for this to finish loading. This is a preview of what you are going to get and what you can embed on your website. So we can always wait for this to finish loading. Sometimes it takes a while and sometimes it just loads fast. Just wait for it to finish loading so that you can check the preview. So this is the preview of what you are going to get. And just scroll down if you want to make use of this and click on remix. Note that you can do this for anyone. There's also the blue buckets. You can choose the blue version or you can choose this version. Then click remix and you can see it right here, preparing your file. Just wait for this to finish loading and then you will get the next page. So this page I've already finished loading and you see your 3D journey starts here. If you are not used to this, just click start and follow the tour. But if you already know how to use this, you can just skip it. Let me just click start. It will just take you a tour around how everything works. So you see it shows how you can control your mouse around these objects. Well, let me just close it and start with what I want to teach you. If you know how to edit 3D designs, you can just edit this. There are a lot of things you can work on. This is what I just want to do, and I don't need to change anything there. So you can move your mouse around. It's like this. So you see, you can check around every part of it. And once you are done with everything, there's nothing really to work on here. As long as you like the concept and you have previewed it and you love it, just open it and export it directly without editing anything there. Just export and you see overview, you see play settings. Just click on play settings and then the scene, okay, background color, height, and what else? I think these are the only thing you need to just do. And click viewer and click okay, it is already set to hide and overview. So you will need to copy this code, and this is the code that you are going to paste on your website. So just copy it and just paste it somewhere. You can use your notepad. Just paste it somewhere. I'll just paste it here. So let us embed it on our website. I will show you how to embed it on your website. You can either use Editor X to embed this. If you're using Editor X, and if you're using WordPress, I will show you how to embed it using Editor X and also WordPress. So let's get started. Let me open a new tab and search for editorx.com. If you don't have an account, just sign in. It is a very easy process. But if you already have an account, you can just sign in. Click on Start Creating. And let me close all these tabs. You will get this page. You can either sign up with your email address or just continue with Google. I'll just go with the continue with Google option. So I just signed in and I should be logged in very soon. After signing in, I got directed here. Let me create a new site so that I'll show you how this thing works from scratch. You'll be asked to either choose a template or create from scratch. I'll just create it from scratch, edit. And this is where we are going to input the code. I'll show you how to input it and how it works. Just click later, I will show you how everything works. So let me add it. Click on the plus icon and add an iframe. You can see it here. Just click on it. When you see it here, click here. Click on this iframe and click enter code. And the code we copied here, you're going to paste it here so that it will start working. So just paste the code here and click updates. And you can then close this. So just wait for your while to finish loading. After pasting the code, this is what I actually got. So let us work with the background. Let us change the background and see what this will look by changing the background to a maybe dark background. And you can get, and this logo here is caused by the free version we are using of Spline. But if you upgrade to the premium version, you won't get the logo. So let us change the background. Click here, and you will see the color. Let us choose a black or a dark background, and choose a dark background. So you can see how it looks. Let's see. Okay, let us use another type of background. Just search for any background. Let me say I want to search for space and enter. And let us go with this. Click here and click change background. And let us reduce the opacity because this looks very busy. Just reduce the opacity or something like this. So I think this makes sense. So you can check how this looks. Let us preview the website and see how it looks. Here is the preview of what we have done so far. You can see you can interact with this design. You can move it around with your mouse. Any user on your website can actually do this. So let us continue editing this, and I'll show you how to add text and some other things. Then we are good to go. Let us add a text. Click on the plus icon again and add a title. Click edit text. And let me just write anything I write. Web tech guide. And this is black. I will change it to white. Click the color and change it to white. So then align this to the center and change it to heading 1 or increase the size. So this is how it looks. Now, if you want to bring this on top of, this text behind this, that it will look more realistic, just click on these layers and you will just drag this iframe, drag it up here. Alright, this is the outputs. You can see how it now looks. Now let us preview this. You can apply this to any website builder. You can even use the normal HTML, CSS codes for this. So this is the outputs. You can see you can drag this anywhere, or your users or the users can drag this and also in this. So this is very possible. You can have a website that's have this kind of feature, and it actually makes sense. So let us try the Elementor. So let us try using it on WordPress. If you have no wikis, you can. So let us try WordPress. This is how the 3D looks on a WordPress website. You can see it is like the same thing. You can see you can drag this around. You can check this. You can see. So this is how it looks like on a WordPress website. So let me show you how you can add this to a WordPress website. Just let me go to the admin dashboard, and I'll just create a new page, and then let me create a page very quickly. Let me just name this one tests, and I'll publish. So I'll just edit it with Elementor, because I use Elementor page builder. But if you're using other page builders also, like Gutenberg, like the classic builder, like Beaver builder, and some other ones, it will also work. Or you're using WPP Create, it will also work for it. It is the same process. Let me hide this title. Okay. So I will add a section, and then the next thing I will make sure that this is full width for a maximum experience. And instead of the iframe, we are going to make use of HTML. It is the same thing, but that one for Editor X they use iframe, but this one is HTML code. I will copy the code I copy it, copy, and I'll paste it here. After pasting the code, this is how it looks like. So you can see this. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now let me change the background color. It is very easy. Just click here and click on style. Then the background. Let me use a dark background. You can see it looks actually amazing. Then let me go to the background overlay and click here. And let me choose an image. So let me choose this image and select. So that you can see what the image looks or how the image looks. Alright, this is what it looks like after changing the background. Now let me add a text. I'll just use the heading and drag this. Let me drag it here. Let me drop it here. And then let me write. Just like we set the color to white. And then we increase the font size. And let us set this one to be aligned to the center. So we work on the margin and the padding. Let me first set the padding at the top to 50. And then the bottom margin, let me set it to, depending on how it works best. And you can just play around with the margin and the padding for either this 3D effect or this text so that it will be properly aligned to the center. And that is how you can apply it to your website. Just update it, and after updating it, you are good to go. So that is how you can actually embed the 3D element to your website. It is very, very easy, and you can do it anytime and on any website platform or any website building platform. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials like this.